Hello friends, today we are going to learn conservation of plants and animals. Deforestation, the clearing of forests and using the land for other purposes is called deforestation. The causes for deforestation are procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel or making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and drought. Consequences of deforestation. The consequences of deforestation are increase in the temperature and pollution level on the earth, increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leading to global warming, lowering of groundwater level, disturbs the balance in nature, decrease in rainfall leading to drought, soil erosion and decrease in soil fertility leading to desertification, decrease in the water holding capacity of soil leading to floods. Conservation of forest fire and wildlife. Forest and wildlife can be conserved by setting up areas like biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, etc. Biosphere reserves are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. National parks are areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Wildlife sanctuaries are areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them or their habitat. Biosphere Reserve. Biosphere Reserve are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. Biodiversity is the variety of plants, animals, and microorganisms found in the area. The Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of a national park called Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries called Bori and Pachmari. Flora and fauna. Flora are the plants found in a particular area. Fauna are the animals found in a particular area. Example, the flora of Pachmari consists of teak, wild mango, jamun, silver fence, etc. The fauna of Pachmari consists of wild dog, cheetah, wolf, leopard, blue bull, barking deer, etc. Endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals found only in a particular area and not found anywhere else. Example, sal and wild mango are the endemic flora of Pachmari. Bison, Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel are the endemic fauna of this area. Wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuaries are areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them or their habitat. The killing or capturing of animals in wildlife sanctuary is strictly prohibited. National Park. National parks are areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Example, Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest in India. Endangered animals. Endangered animals are those animals whose numbers are diminishing and might face extinction. Example, tiger is one of the many animals which are slowly diminishing. To protect the tigers in our country, the government launched the project Tiger to ensure the survival of tiger population. Dinosaurs have already become extinct. Red data books are books which keeps a record of all endangered plants and animals. Ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of all the plants, animals and microorganisms living in an area along with the non-living components like climate, water, soil, etc. Migration. Migration is the movement of animals from its own habitat to some other habitat for a particular time period every year due to climatic changes or for breeding. Birds which fly very long distances to reach another land are called migratory birds. Deforestation. Deforestation is the restocking of destroyed forests by planting new trees. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. We have already caused a lot of damage to our forests. If we have to regain our green wealth, reforestation is the only option.